Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. Finally got a little break in the rain, but I think we're going to get more of it. But you know what, when it's raining, it's a good time to work in the barn. So let me show y'all what we've done. This is Saturday, May 13th. I live streamed for 3.5 hours from inside the barn. And at some point the camera froze up and I don't know, I had to end it. But, you know, it was fun. I mean, we were working. There wasn't a whole lot of, time to sit there in front of the camera, in front of the camera to do the live stream. I just let everybody watch how I was working. Me and Gary went to town in here. Today was, as we call it, a very productive day. And you know what? Gary didn't have to pay me to come out here and help me. So we got a lot figured out, for a couple old guys that never were carpenters. So what do we got here? The generator's still running because I'm charging up a power station. Needless to say, solar production wasn't all that good. I want to make sure I got plenty for tonight's live stream. But what we've got accomplished, you can see some differences in here. Oh man. Got 3 more sections of the floor joist completed. Now I'm out of 2x8s, 8-footers. So I'll go this week. I have to get 8 more, or 9 more for each section. I need 4 sections. So I got to buy 36 more 8-foot 2x8s. But, I've had people, I've got Anthony and Lee sent me $50 gift cards. And Chuck did a $50 super chat last weekend on the live stream. So that's over half the cost of the 2x8, so it's all good. I go get them. I'll show you. My stock of wood is dwindling because we're actually building now. Now this thing you see over here in the corner is what we started on when we finished the floor joist sections. Yeah, that only took 45 minutes. So it's like, you know what? I want a shop. I want a room of my own tool room. So what I'm doing is building a 10x16 room here in this corner of the barn. I'm going to use that existing wall there, that existing wall for right now. I'm going to run rafters over so I can put a ceiling on it. But this was just the rough framing of the first wall. We had time to do that and get it all laid out and get it all figured out how to do it. But yeah, I have a 36-inch door, big door, that they were going to throw away at work. That's a big old heavy, it's 36 inches wide, solid core wood door. So I'm going to use that in here. Now up there, there's going to be another wall go across there. And this room will be for my tools, and I can do my reviews inside this room, my own little space here in the barn. That's what this is going to be for. And I can get it organized and get everything put away. I've got some cabinets I got to get put up. I'm going to hook up that sink to the barrels outside, so I'll have running water in my room. But yeah, we got all that figured out, and I explained in the live stream. I was trying to explain to everybody how this worked. I think they got it, but just in case, this is the rough opening of the door. And I explain to people the way you do this in simple terms, because I'm not a carpenter. But here's what we do. I am not going to cut out the threshold. I'm just going to leave that there. I'll step over it. Because these floors, this is a 100-plus-year-old barn. These floors are not level, they're warped, they're, you know, all kinds of crap. So I'm not trying to make everything perfectly level. But what you've got here in this door framing, the two long studs on the sides are called king studs. The two short studs are called jack studs. The 2x4s running across it are called a header, and the two little ones up in between the header and the top plate are called cripple studs. That carries the weight of the roof. I'm going to have 2x10 rafters, and then I'll put plywood on top of that. That'll be the roof of the shed. I can use the top for storage if I ever need to. I mean, I've got that giant loft up there. It just needs a deck, but for wood storage, I've got all that. That's like 12 feet high. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. Shoot that top plate in, and then we'll level everything out. Because I know I'm at 120 feet, right, or 120 inches right here. I know that for a fact. How far out is it? One in the truck, one in the cabin. That thing's starting to get a little wore out. Straight ahead, because the top plate from this wall is going to go over this section. That's how they'll tie together. But yeah, I got to get more lumber, you know. But it was fun. I'm so glad to see this progress coming along. Now next Saturday we'll build the other 4 sections of the floor joist, and that'll be done. The floor of the new house will be done. And we'll build the end wall here for my room. And I'm still debating it. I might, on this end, I have these 2 big pieces of glass that I got from work, very thick. I might stick a window in there, who knows? You know? Let me see what my power station's up to. Oh, 100%. That's what I needed. So let me unplug this. That's my Echo Flow. I used it to power everything to do the live stream out here. Let me turn off my generator. Man, that's a great generator. I love how quiet that thing is. An inverter generator. I got that from Tech Life. They sent it to me to do a review on 2 or 3 years ago. That thing has been fantastic. I mean, I got my Champion over there, and I got one in the power room behind the cabin, the Champion. But that low inverter generator is so quiet. And it runs my compressor, runs my saw, I mean, everything I need out here. So why make all the noise? All right. So just remind everybody, I will be live streaming tonight. And at 8 o'clock, we'll do our randomness. Whatever we want to talk about. But yeah, I'm proud of what we got accomplished today. I'm real happy. I'm going to go make some lunch and edit this video and upload it. And I will see you guys at 8 o'clock tonight. This is Joe out here at the barn at St. Bernard Acres. I'm out, folks.